welcome to a new video. I'm just at Conondale National Park because I'm going to Booloumba Creek and I'm super excited. I haven't been here for years, I reckon. And I'm just about to do the water crossing, but it looks like you don't even have to do it. You could like go around it because there's like no water in there. So I don't know if I should go through the water or go around. But it was like an hour drive to get here from home, and I hope it's not going to be busy because it's Friday today and it's, what time is it right now? It's 1 o'clock. So yeah, it's such a nice day too. It's super hot and sunny. So I'm very excited. Also, I got a haircut since last time. It's a bit short in here. But at least it's like nice and healthy. But yeah, let's do this water crossing. Yeah, I wouldn't really call it a water crossing, but yeah, let's go through the water. Oh no! I don't think I filmed the water crossing. Oh my god! I just realised I didn't click on record when I went through the water crossing. Oh well, I'll film it on the way back. I think there's another one anyways. We'll have a look. But yeah, I'm pretty sure there's another one. Should I wear a cap? I don't know. I haven't worn this cap in so long. Nah. I reckon no cap. There's another water crossing! Okie dokie, let's do this. Oh no! Oh my god! My car! I'm gonna have to put it in four-wheel drive. I thought I could do it without four-wheel drive. Fuck, I'm like in the middle of the thing. Fuck. Oh my god. Wait, I'll put you there. Oh no. Should I put it in low? I'll put it in low. What? That's scary. Oh my god. I can't believe that. I could go through there without putting the four-wheel drive in. Well, I'm keeping the four-wheel drive in now, from now on. Oh no, there's people there watching me too. Oh, funny. Oh well. Let's keep driving. I can't believe that just happened. It's like flashback to that car in Fraser that got like his car just turned off in the middle of the creek. Oh, funny. Oh well, let's keep driving. I just got here and there's another creek crossing. What? I don't remember it being another one. And I'm scared to do this one. What? Huh? That was way deeper than I thought it was, or what it was going to be. Like, am I at the right place? I feel like I'm like lost. I don't remember it looking this way last time I was here. This is so strange. What? I think they must have changed it somehow. What? I think fully you came in from the other way last time. You didn't come in this way. Surely, this is so strange. Oh my god. There's a few cars here, but not too busy. I'm excited to check it out. I'm pretty sure like the creek is over there. This is like some other creek. So strange. I'm gonna go back to my car and see if I can drive further down that way. Actually, there's like an information thing up here. I'm gonna go have a look. Oh. No wonder I didn't recognize this place. I was like, I've never been here. Like, I've never done a creek crossing to get there. So strange. Oh yeah, there's a thing here. Hopefully it'll tell me where I am. It's a nice creek here too, but it's not as nice as like the proper one. Let's have a look. You are here. Day use area. Oh, it's way further up. I'm gonna show you. So I'm here and the falls are there. Like what? I'm gonna keep driving. Oh no, Booloumba Falls, that's not it. Where is the creek? I don't understand. I'm gonna walk back and keep driving. This is not it. There's another place. Well, I'm scared to do that water crossing again. It was actually deep. And I didn't even check it before I went. It's nice here, but it's so annoying. To the right spot, so let's go check it out. Also, when I was flying my drone, it almost flew into a tree. That was so scary. Lucky I've got like, it's the good thing about this drone is that it's got that sensoring or whatever it's called, so like it can't hit anything, or it's very hard. Which is good, because if not I would have been fucked. Oh well, let's go. I'm so excited. Look how sick these camp areas are. Like, it's got a fireplace. It's like right on the creek here. It'd be sick to go camping here. Camp spot number 7. I'll remember that. This is where it is. And it looks like there's like no one here. Oh no, there's some people there, but still so nice. It's actually so nice here. Oh, I just tanned for a bit and just relaxed. And I think I'm gonna go to the next fall, or I guess it's called Booloumba Falls, isn't it? I reckon I'll go there and check it out. Let's go check out this fall. I'm excited. I thought I've been here before, but I reckon I haven't. So I'm excited. It says 1.5 kilometers return. No, one way, so 3 kilometers return. The road to get here, like it was 9 kilometers from Booloumba Creek. And it was so steep. I had to put my car in first gear and I was like crawling up the hill, like going so slow. Like that was so crazy. I thought I wasn't going to make it up the hill. Imagine that. But I didn't have it in four-wheel drive, so should have probably been fine if I put it into four-wheel drive. But still, like I had to put it in first gear. I don't think I've ever done that before. So crazy. I'm hoping it's not going to take too long to get there, because it's already like 3:30. I don't want to be driving back in the dark through those creek crossings, but surely not. I'll walk fast. Yeah, how nice is it out here? So pretty. Holy moly, it's actually so nice here. And I didn't bring my drone. I was like, oh no, like I won't bring my drone. What? This waterfall is sick. I can't believe I didn't bring my drone. What the hell? Wow. I have been here. I'm sure I've been here once before. But it was like years and years and years ago. Oh my god, it's so nice here. Let's go check out the lookout first. Is this over there? Oh my god. It's actually like a massive waterfall. Like, what? So crazy! You're kidding! This is insane how nice it is. Oh, I'm so happy I went here now, because I almost didn't go. I was like, oh, I don't feel like it. Holy moly! What? This place is so sick. get over how nice that was. That was so pretty. And I was all alone too, there was no one there. I had the whole waterfall to myself. So nice. If you go to Booloumba Creek, definitely go to Booloumba Falls too, because that was just so nice. Oh. And it wasn't even a long walk. Probably took me like 10-15 minutes to walk there. That was nice. It's been such a good day. Like what? I just stopped at a lookout. Holy moly! I can't believe how like hilly it is here. It's crazy. Wow! That's a nice view. Look at that. What? Very nice. Like what? How nice is that? So pretty. Wow. Oh, I just did the 2 creek crossings and I'm about to drive home. But yeah, I think this is it for this video, but thank you for watching, and if you want to support me, don't forget that I've got a support page. It's in my like YouTube bio. So yeah, if you want to support my channel, you can do that. But yeah, I'm just happy that you watched this whole video. So yeah. Of course my battery died, like the last video. It's always that way, isn't it? But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much. Like seriously, if you like subscribe to my channel, you watch my videos, it actually means so much to me that you like my videos and you watch them, and yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!